In this video, we'll discuss how to submit a budget request for your student organization. To get started, you'll go into your organization's portal and you'll access the management features by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner. You'll then scroll down and select Finance. On the Finance screen, you have the opportunity to check the account balance for your organization. You can submit funding requests and purchase requests, which we'll talk about in a later video, and you can submit your budget request. In order to submit budget requests, we'll click on the Budget Request tab. On this page, you can review historical information for your organization's previous budget request. This information can be helpful in constructing your budget proposal for the upcoming semester. In order to create a new budget request, you'll go to the blue rectangle in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll click Create Budget Request. You'll then select the budget request process for the upcoming semester, and you'll provide a title for your budget request. In order to make it easier to locate this request in the future, it is recommended to type your organization's name as well as the semester this budget request will be used for. After providing that information, you'll click Next. You'll then be asked to provide some additional information about your organization. On this page, you'll be asked about contact information regarding your organization's advisor and officers, and you'll also be asked questions regarding your organization's finances. This information you provide on this page will assist the Student Government Association's Finance Committee in their process of allocating funds for the upcoming semester. After you've provided all of this information, you'll click Next. On the following screen, you will begin to assemble your budget proposal. One of the first tasks that you must complete as you assemble your budget proposal is identifying if you have on-campus expenses or off-campus expenses. In the event you have proposed line items which do not fit into either of these two categories, you can create a new category by clicking the Add Another Off-Campus section and providing a name for your new section, such as Operational Costs, Public Relations, etc. After you provide this information, click Save and it will create the new section title for you. In order to begin adding line items into your different sections, click Add Item and select the category which most accurately reflects your proposed expense. You will then name the line item and provide a description of the proposed expense. Your description should be detailed enough for the SGA Finance Committee to have an understanding of how you'll use this funding and what rationale you'll use for determining this expense amount. You will then indicate the amount of funding you are requesting. When possible, enter the quantity of items you will be purchasing and the unit price for each of these items instead of providing one large total. After providing this information, click Save to add this line item to your budget request. Throughout this process, you have the opportunity to click Finish Later if you would like to come back and re-look at your budget proposal. Once you have inputted all of your proposed expenses, you can click the Submit button to submit your budget request to the SGA Finance Committee for review and approval.